This is a Simone Sunshade attached to our 2017 Montana High Country trailer. Notice it's attached rather high on the upper part of the trailer. I was afraid it might not reach to the ground, but it does a good job. Pretty simple to slide in. You just slide it into the LED light slot from one end and pull it, and it works really well. Then you have these little bungee cord things at the end that attach to stakes you drive in the ground, which are included. Notice I've got the black side out. It's reversible. It'll go either way. So it's got essentially full morning sun on it. And we'll go inside and see what it looks like. Notice how shady it is in there. And this is the reverse side, which is essentially the color of our awning. So whether you want it to reflect sun being on the outside or match your awning on the inside, your choice. Anyway, you can still see out the screen, no problem. But it looks like it does a good job of keeping the sun out. So I would say, pretty good buy. The one question I had about the shade was whether it would roll up with the roller. And it appears to roll in okay, but you have some left over, so if you're going to try to do it this way, you probably have to secure it better with some bungee cords, which would be a ladder job on this one, or do it from the top. Otherwise, I was surprised at how well this did it. Anyway, whatever, beware of wind.